Ay, nakakita ako ng posporong sinindihan right here. Don't worry because I'm not sensing no na it is related to sunog or something here like an emergency right here. But you know what I'm seeing no in my vision right now? I'm picking up that there is something here na mapapatigil ka sa ginagawa mo. Like literally, kunwari nagte-text ka or nagbabasa ka ng libro or ano man ginagawa mo no, mapapatigil ka, like mapapatitig ka, like mapapahinto ka sa ginagawa mo and your attention no is napunta na dun sa bagay na yun. Okay? But do not need to worry because hindi ko nakukuhang emergency yun, like hindi naman yun sunog or whatever, but nakita ko rito na pwede kang matigilan at pwede rito mga babes, no, na makaramdam ka rin ng parang pagkagulat, no? So, let's see what that is. Yeah, it's like you feel you're out of control, no? Pagdating rito sa emosyon mo. Kasi tingin ko pagka naagaw ng particular na sitwasyon na yon ang atensyon mo, ano man yun, it's like parang nakain na rito, no? Yung mind mo or yung thoughts mo. Na, pero nakita ko na pati yung feelings and emotions mo, damay na din eh, no? So, ano ba to? Like, mapapatigil ka kung ikaw man ay nagsa-cellphone or nagluluto or naglalaba or ano mang ginagawa mo, no? Nakikita kitang matitigilan right here. Parang magiging estatwa ka, okay, ng ilang segundo or pwedeng minuto na rin, no? So, let's see. Let's see. Okay, we're good. So, let's see what do we have here for you, collective. I'm getting a different flow of energy coming from here. But let me lagay muna lahat ng energy sa ating table bago natin tuluyan, no, na i-spill ang nilalaman ng reading na to for you guys. So let's see. Okay. Okay. This is something big. We've got the tower, the moon, and the judgment right here, right beside each other. Three major arcanas right here. Wow, so powerful. This is something here that you do not see happening. You do not know about this, but it's gonna happen or it's already, no, niluluto na, no, para sa inyo, mga babes, diba? Wow. See? Right. So, hey there mga My Loves Collective! How was your day today? So, yan mga babes, no, bago natin simulan ng reading na to, by the way, meron tayong new channel, ang Doll Meme. So, collective readings no, for all signs po yun. So, everyday meron tayo doon, no? So, sa mga nakatambay na there, thank you so much. And hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Tuloy-tuloy, welcome, welcome. So, yan mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you have your free will. Syempre naman. So, nakita ko dito. Let me just get straight to the point. Okay? Nakikita ko rito na lahat tayo, mayroon tayong first love. 'Di ba? So, bala kayo kung paano nyo yun i-categorize, 'di ba? Basta yung parang feeling mo, no? Yung iba, tawag doon first love agad. Yung iba naman, no, tawag doon first crush, first na like mo, first mga babes, no, na parang nagpatibok ng puso mo. Yung with this Four of Wands energy to the tower right here, na this is someone here na alam mo yung nakaramdam ka rito ng parang pakiramdam na, "Eto yung gusto kong pakasalan, eh. Paglaki ko pakakasalan ko 'to, eh." Alam mo yung gano'ng klase example 'no, ng parang energy ng isang, very determinado 'no, or very persistent na individual 'no, na parang sa una nating pakiramdam 'no, ano man yung tawag mo dun, first crush, first love 'no, first, someone here na naging special sa'yo 'no, na parang 'pag andiyan siya, ang lakas ng kabog ng dibdib mo, 'pag nakikita mo siya parang sigurado ka na, "Ma, yan yung pakakasalan ko one day." Okay, alam mo yung gano'ng klase ng feeling 'no? Not necessarily you're telling your mom that 'no, yung iba yes, pero yung iba 'no, you're keeping it to yourself na and you feel like that is your Prince Charming. Doesn't have to be na, nung bata mo pa siya nakilala 'no. Kasi yung iba naman mga babes 'no, you're considering here nasa sa'yo yun, eh. Ano ba yung first love for you, 'di ba? Basta yung unang pakiramdam mo rito na na sobrang minahal mo siya, to the point na sobrang like mo siya, na 'pag hindi mo siya nakikita hindi kumpleto yung araw mo. So whether whatever that is the first time you feel something different 'no, na nagtitingle sa heart mo. So whatever the case may be 'no, I'm seeing you right here that you have your first love. Yes, you have here the Knight of Pentacles energy. Your feelings are very pure. Your feelings are very sincere. Knight of Pentacles energy, the Chariot. Okay, so you are about to see. You are gonna bump with your first love right here. First love, first crush, whatever, kung anong nakategorize mo dyan. Okay? Doesn't have to be mga babes na parang, yung talagang naramdaman mo. Okay? Kasi yung iba, no, meron kayong crush, marami kayong crush dati, no, or yeah. Pero iba yung naramdaman mo talaga na parang, pag nandyan siya, tatakbo ka, nagtatago ka na dun sa pader. Because hindi mo ma-explain yung nararamdaman mo, parang kumakabog yung dibdib mo, yung parang feeling mo lalabas yung heart mo sa sabog, ganun, no? And lahat kaya mong gawin sa kanya, Valentine's Day, bumili ka pa talaga ng teddy bear, iniwan mo sa desk niya, hindi ka naman din nagpakilala. Yung mga ganong klase ng energy. And this is you. Okay? You once acted weirdly or you once acted no foolishly no with that person or towards that person because that is the type of feeling no na naramdaman mo. Yun yung unang beses na naramdaman mo yung espesyal na tinatawag na love or yun na yung pagpapakahulugan mo dun. Doesn't have to be that this is teenage love. Basta yung first love mo. Yung iba naman kasi mga babes, no, hindi nung childhood nila naramdaman yung first love, no. Pwedeng nung una sila nagkaroon ng trabaho, pwedeng pagka-graduate nila nung college, pwede rin naman just recently, yung talagang naramdaman mo, no, na talagang kumilos ka nang naayon dito sa nararamdaman mo. Your heart and your body, no, is parang nag-joined forces, no, para mag-react with your first love. No? You tend to do everything, no? Nagawa mong lahat kahit na yung parang nakakahiyang bagay to do and you express it with your special person here and it's obvious. Yan, no? When we say obvious, ibig sabihin halata, no? Halata ng friends mo, pwedeng nahalata rin ng person na to, na first love mo here, no? Your emotions and feelings is very 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 sincere no very pure no it's like see-through no it's like something here na wala ka talagang matatago talagang yung pagmamahal mo yung nararamdaman mo no pa ito talaga yung iba nakita niyo siya bilang your princess, your Disney princess here, your Prince Charming here, no? It's like with the tower, this is something here, no? Na unexpected ang pagkikita niyo nitong person na to. Maybe you're gonna bump with this person here while you are on biyahe or while you are traveling right here. It doesn't have to be malayo, no? Basta nakikita ko na makikita mo siya, no? Sa very random day na tatawagin mo. It's like you're gonna feel that this is something here coincident, but I think you do not see something here. Kung nakakaloka na para sa'yo na muli mong makikita ang first love mo, mas maluloka ka sa kung anong nakikita ko rito. So kung akala mo, yung first love mo ay makikita mo lang rito, pero guess what, honey? This is not just a coincidence. This is not just serendipity. This is something here. That is something na gusto mo bang malaman kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo? Na nakikita ko dito ng malinaw pa 'no, sa sabaw dito mga babes 'no, ng noodles. Sabaw ng noodles. Nakikita ko dito 'no, that with this particular reading, I'm sensing your first love doesn't have to be 'no, na, ito ay this could be anyone 'no. So kung sino yung first love mo, just take how this resonates 'no. Pero dito mo talaga naramdaman yung lahat. Nasaktan ka, umiyak ka, minahal mo siya, or naramdaman mo yung feeling na love mo siya. Okay, bahala ka kung paano mo ika-categorize yung first love mo. Pero kung para kanino man 'tong mga nakukuha kong mga mensahe na 'to, etong first love mo 'no, ay ang Five of Pentacles energy, the Moon card right here, Judgment, Three of Cups energy, Four of Cups energy, World card right here. I'm seeing that this first love of yours will be your last love right here. Yeah, you heard it right. Okay? That first love of yours, kung sino man yung first love mo na yan, siya yung nakikita ko dito makakatuluyan mo. Sa hinaba-haba no, na pinagdaanan ninyo, no, na pwedeng napunta na rin kayo sa iba't ibang mga relationships right here. Sa first love nyo rin pala kayo babagsak dito. This is not just something here na nagkataon lang. This is not just something here, no, na coincident lang. This is something here like a reunion, no, mga babes, no, because you know what, I'm picking up right here. I keep on looking with this Five of Pentacles energy. You thought that the love portal was already closed, but guess what? The love portal, no, is hindi naman talaga nag-close. It's just that it remains open right here, no? But because universe have their own plans in your life, to make it more beautiful, let's say, no, parang yung tinatawag natin mga ingredients, recados, no, na nagpapasarap rito, no, ng kwento ng ating buhay. So, yun yung sinasabi dito ng ating angels and spirit guides right here, no, this love portal, hindi naman talaga nag-close. Nakabukas lang talaga ito, no? So, nagkaroon lang dito mga babes, no, ng parang, um, mga bagay 'no, na tingin mo hindi importante pero nangyari sa buhay mo kasi may kinalaman pala upang mas maging mapaganda itong koneksyon ninyong dalawa. So nakikita ko 'no, that with this Four of Cups energy, this is something here na makikita mo 'no, mararamdaman mo that this is not just a short meet up with your first love, but this is something here like mas magbubukas pa ng gate upang, okay, kayo ay mas magkakilanlan pa at magkaroon ng panibagong, alam mo yung feels like fresh, no, na connection. This is not just about your ex, no, who betrayed you, whatever, okay? This is your first love. Who is your first love? No, naalala mo pa ba yung first love mo? Because I'm seeing a lot of my singles right here, no, that your first love is, okay, this person here. Okay? Minsan para lang ba yun sa single? Eto mga babes, no, let me just get straight to the point because I really do not want, no, to make, palabok, no, in all my readings. No? I do not want to make you think of something na parang pag-iisip pa kayo or what, no? So, I'm also picking up right here na if may relationship ka ngayon at yung person na yan ang first love mo, then definitely yan na yung magiging last mo. But if you are in relationship right now, nakukuha ko rin dito mga babes, no, and you feel a little doubt about that person here, then definitely may nakukuha din akong ganun dito. Why? Because that is not your first love if this reading resonates with you. I'm seeing you getting back with this first love right here. I'm feeling like your emotions will start to recognize, no, na ito yung person na talagang para sa'yo. I'm seeing you getting reunited with your first love, and this is not just a coincidence, my love, because this is something here, no, that the angels are telling you that this is the person here panibagong chapter ang nagbubukas sa inyo because never naman nagsara ang love portal ninyong dalawa. Hierophant, Seven of Pentacles energy, Ten of Cups, are just kidding me? Right beside this Judgment and there's this Tower right here. This is what you do not see coming. This will be coming in by surprise to you. Like literally, no, with the Ten of Cups energy, I'm seeing you investing your lifetime with this person. Both of you getting married and living together right here. It's like your first love, no? Mabubuhay kayo ulit mga babes, no? Sa ganitong klase ng pakiramdam na parang, alam mo yung dating, dating naramdaman mo sa first love na ito, no? Ay mas lalo pa ritong pinatindi. At yun yung nakikita ko. Wow! So whatever the case may be, collective, your first love is your last love right here. The one who will be waiting for you andun sa altar, no? Sa dulo ng altar right here. Or someone here na siya yung maglalakad papalapit sa'yo, no? Getting married with you. Investing your life together, being with each other in the journey of forever. You are meant to be together. Your first love is also your last love. Huling taong mamahalin mo right here. Siya yung una at huling taong mamahalin mo. Wow! Grabe, nakaka-move talaga to. See, I don't know what the universe here, no, is hinahain sa inyo because I'm picking up that everything right here happens for a reason. Nothing is coincident, honey. Whatever the universe is brewing for you guys, just trust it. Because I'm seeing you smiling and your smile is very genuine. And I really love the energy that I'm getting because your aura is telling me that you will be the happiest person on earth. Wow. So claim and receive these beautiful messages right here, my loves. Thank you so much for your time and sarang hayo love and light. Annyeong.